How to make someone an admin in an Instagram group chat. To make someone an admin in Instagram group chat, you need to follow these steps. First thing first, you want to make sure to update the app to the latest version. So go to your respective app store, type in Instagram on the search bar. When you locate Instagram, click on the update button if the update is available. Otherwise, click on the open button and log into your account. So once you're logged in, tap on the DMs icon from the top right corner of your screen. And here you want to go ahead and locate the group chat where you are an actual admin. So here it is. Now click on the name or the profile name. Then you want to click on people. As you do it, so here you have the admin, right? So if you want to make someone admin, you tap on the three dot icon and then click on make admin. So this is basically how you could make someone an admin in an Instagram group chat. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.